What a beautiful morning! Race you to the bridge!
What's that shadow?
Something big and moving. It's huge. What do we do?
Run, maybe.
Help! Someone stop it!
We have to do something! It is everywhere, the whole village.
Stay safe, everyone!
Bao! Oinky! You must help save the village.
We're ready!
Let's go!
We move together, Oinky.
We've got this. Whoa! This is awesome!
Careful, stay steady!
Hey! That's mine!
Wait, they're not hurting anyone.
Sorry about the bubbles.
It's okay. We just want peace. You think it's in there?
Whatever it is, we face it together.
Bao?
I see it. Behind me!
Got it.
Keep moving!
I meant to do that. Nice save.
It's not holding.
Okay, so that's new. Everything's floating.
Stay light, keep moving.
Wow! I've got you. Hold steady. I've got the top.
Now!
On it!
Wait, look!
Huh?
Easy, just guide it.
Gentle bubbles.
Got it.
I'm right here, Bao.
Tether bow.
Together.
Whoa! Whee! This way.
Follow the calm spots.
I've got you! Bow!
You're hurting. That thing's not happy.
It's hurting the cave and you. You were just guarding it.
We didn't know.
We're not fighting.
We can help.
Together.
It's okay. We're here.
You don't have to be alone.
It's free now.
It feels happy.
You're beautiful now.
And happy.
It's all calm now.
Everything's back to normal.
Thank you for protecting it.
We couldn't have done it without you.
It's all coming back.
Look at the flowers. Our heroes. You saved us all.
We couldn't have done it without everyone.
And a little bit of fun, Bubbles.
Everything's safe now.
Thank you.
And the flowers, too. I think this glow will stay forever.
And so will our bubbles.
Let's see what's next.
Adventure awaits!